Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video ay magsasagot tayo ng additional examples para sa pagkuha ng integral of binomial raised to a power. So ito ulit yung ating form ng ating mga given for this topic. And nasa example number 3 na tayo. Ang ating example number 3 ay what is the integral of the quantity of 3x minus 5 raised to 4 with respect to x. Before we continue, please like, follow, and subscribe to my social media accounts. Matatandaan na ang ating shortcut formula sa ganitong form of binomial is the integral of the quantity of ax plus b raised to n with respect to x is the quantity of ax plus b raised to n plus 1 all over a times the quantity of n plus 1 plus the arbitrary constant. Again, ang ating example number 3 ay find the integral of the quantity of 3x minus 5 raised to 4 with respect to x. Ang ating letter A ay 3, ang ating n is 4. Kung i-apply natin ang ating shortcut formula or the rule for this form, ang kanyang integral ay the quantity of 3x minus 5 raised to 4 plus 1 all over 3 times the quantity of 4 plus 1 plus c. And then, isi-simplify na lang natin. Itong numerator ay magiging the quantity of 3x minus 5 raised to 5 at ang ating naman denominator ay 15 dahil 4 plus 1 is 5 times 3 which is 15. And then plus arbitrary constant. So ito ngayon yung ating answer sa example number 3. Again, pwede rin natin isagot na ilabas natin yung 1 over 15 as coefficient. Kaya pwede rin nating final answer is 1 over 15 times the quantity of 3x minus 5 raised to 5 plus c.